In this video, you'll see a house nestled amidst the rugged beauty of Bruny Island, suspended over the landscape and offering breathtaking views of the Tasmanian wilderness. You will also see how the structure harmonizes with the sloping terrain, its elevated form blending into the contours of the land while maintaining a striking presence. In addition, we will present its materiality, where raw concrete, steel, and glass create a dialogue between mass and transparency. After that, you will see its beautiful and spacious interior, designed with a refined simplicity that enhances the connection between architecture and nature. Finally, if you like to see things like an architect, you will see the floor plans and sections. Vipp takes its signature design ethos to the Southern Hemisphere with its newest Guesthouse, a bold architectural statement on Tasmania's Bruny Island. Designed by Hobart-based Studio Room 11, the Vipp Tunnel is a sculptural retreat that balances beauty and brutalism. Suspended over rugged terrain, the concrete structure offers a seamless dialogue between contemporary architecture and untouched nature. Complemented by outdoor sculptures from Danish artist Linn Utzon, the project merges art, design, and landscape into a singular immersive experience. Tasmania, often called the edge of the world, evokes a sense of otherworldliness. The journey begins with a short ferry ride from Hobart, where travelers are transported into a realm defined by untamed wilderness and serene isolation. Upon arrival at the Guesthouse, rare white wallabies roam the expansive coastal site, setting the stage for a retreat deeply connected to the land. Perched above a 300-meter sea stretch, the structure boasts a 280-degree panoramic view of the D'Entrecasteaux Channel, seamlessly linking ocean and bushland. Designed for self-sufficiency, the Vipp tunnel features an entire western facade clad in solar panels, allowing the building to operate completely off-grid. This bold architectural move is not only a sustainable innovation, but also a defining visual statement, aligning the building's geometry with its energy-efficient purpose. Room 11's design approach embraces the contrast between the built and natural environments. The 30-meter-long concrete form, elevated above the landscape, engages in a dialogue between mass and weightlessness. Floor-to-ceiling glass and recessed steel doors dissolve the boundary between interior and exterior, while an atrium separates the main living area from the private suite. At the far end, a glass door leads to a cantilevered terrace, intensifying the sensation of being at the world's edge. A separate 35 square meter concrete cube, known as the studio, provides a secluded retreat for work or meditation. Its soaring 4-meter ceiling, minimal furnishings, and hidden mezzanine bed create a space of visual and sensory calm, reinforcing the project's philosophy of refined simplicity. Inspired by the ethereal Aurora Australis, Room 11 integrated chromatic glazing into the skylights, casting shifting hues of yellow, pink, and orange onto the polished concrete interiors. This interplay of color and light transforms the space into a dynamic, ever-changing artwork, reinforcing the guest house's connection to the elements. At the heart of the space, Vipp's all-aluminum V3 kitchen serves as a centerpiece, its stainless steel counter and fluted aluminum doors echoing the structure's materiality. Thoughtfully curated furniture, including Australian sheepskin upholstered swivel chairs, adds warmth to the raw aesthetic, while a sunken lounge carves out a moment of softness within the sculptural form. Built with longevity in mind, the Vipp tunnel embodies a philosophy of quality over quantity. Its material choices and construction techniques ensure resilience, while its striking form makes a profound architectural statement. In this remote and dramatic setting, the guest house offers not just shelter, but an experience, one that heightens the senses and deepens the connection between architecture and nature. If you've come this far and want to help the channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, and activate the bell to receive more videos with incredible houses.